Most people think crypto begins and ends with Bitcoin. But there's another cryptocurrency that completely changed the game, and it's called Ethereum. In this video, I'm going to break down what Ethereum is, how it works, and why many people believe it's one of the most important technologies in crypto. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that allows people to build applications on the internet without relying on a central company. Now that might sound complicated, so let's simplify it. Think of Bitcoin as digital money. Ethereum is more like a digital operating system. It's a platform developers can build on. Ethereum was created in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin with the idea of making blockchain technology do more than just transfer money. The biggest thing that separates Ethereum from Bitcoin is something called smart contracts. A smart contract is basically a digital agreement that automatically executes itself when certain conditions are met. No bank, no middleman, no company needed. For example, imagine sending money automatically once a job is completed. That's the power of smart contracts. Ethereum powers a huge part of the crypto world. Things like NFTs, decentralized apps, crypto games, DeFi platforms. All of these can run on the Ethereum network. That's why Ethereum is so important. Ethereum's cryptocurrency is called ETH. ETH is used to pay transaction fees on the network. Whenever people use Ethereum, they usually pay something called gas fees. These fees help power and secure the network. Many people see Ethereum as the foundation for the future internet, sometimes called Web3, a version of the internet where users have more ownership and control. Instead of giant companies owning everything, blockchain networks help distribute control. But like all crypto, Ethereum still has risks. Prices can be volatile, gas fees can become expensive, and the technology is still evolving. But now you understand why Ethereum is more than just another cryptocurrency. It's a platform, a technology, and for many people, a glimpse into the future. If you want to actually understand crypto, what should I explain next? I'm Joe. Subscribe if you want crypto without the hype. And comment, because we're breaking down everything step by step.